Welcome back to the channel, guys. I decided I'm gonna show you how to clean your pew pew. How to make sure that everything is cleaned and ready to go whenever needed. Maybe this will help someone get their thingy like this up and running. Hopefully it loads up on YouTube and they don't take it down. I'm only showing how to clean it, to take it apart, and just just make sure that it's clean and make sure everything's working. That's all I'm trying to do. Trying to make an honest day's wage. So first, there are 2 pins here. There and there. I'm just gonna go ahead and push those. Screw it. This will work. There we go. And this one, give her a little punch. There we go. Flip it to the other side. Pull that. So now we have 2 separate parts. And the next step will be to just pound it till this comes. Pull that, push in there, pull out the charging handle and all that. Next we'll go to pulling this little pin here. Usually I use my thumb, but like I said, it's in a band-aid right now. I'll just pull this pin, then I pull the firing pin, then this thing. I don't know what these parts are called. I'm kind of ignorant at the moment here, but here I change this to a different angle. See, you can change this. You can spin it all the way around. So you spin it to the way that it pops out, then everything comes apart. No, it's not clean, as you can see. So I'm gonna go grab the stuff to clean it. So I'm going to put this on here, just in case there's a little mess. I will use these patches. And I buy these at your local stores. The RKO, any gun store should have them. About that yay big. And I go ahead and get, I don't know where I got this, but where did I get it? I can't remember. RKO maybe? I just go ahead and just a little tab on there. Just go ahead and take your finger and go in there and rub everything out. I'm gonna go get down in that groove. This is, by the way, called a bolt carrier group. Something similar to that. Whatever. next thing, I'll just turn it around, go to this thing. So this part right here is a part, yeah, it was pretty nasty. This thing right here goes ahead, and when you fire, focus there, the cartridge, it comes forward and catches the pew pew pew, and it fires. The firing pin comes out the middle there, and then this thing slides back, and as it slides back, that pin on the side will eject the cartridge, and then repeat itself, just back and forth, back and forth. So that's what that is. And this is the firing pin. This thing really is not really anything to clean, but get some oil on there just to keep it from rusting if it ever would. And then this pin right here, I'm gonna go ahead and grab another swab. See how dirty this thing is. About that dirty. I really wouldn't have to clean this, but I don't know. Just don't have a whole lot to do right now. Keep it in a nice running condition. And in here. So, if I'm not mistaken, YouTube will not let me play this video if I put this all together and put it in there. So, obviously that has to be down there, guys. There's only one place or one hole that you get to insert the pin, and that is if you put this in the right direction. Insert that. There we go. Cutter key. Thing pops in. There it is. Ready to go. Now this light's pretty cool, I think. Yeah. We got a couple different low and high. I'll be bringing in another gun here on the next episode. You guys tell me in the comments, should I take apart my 12 gauge, meaning literally every piece will come apart? Should I talk about the Bagara 6.5? You tell me what you want to see. Peace out.